Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my cleaning company business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll dive into the updates that I made to the cleaning company business plan template. And then finally, at the end of the day, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and we'll call it a day. All right, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the cleaning company business plan template that I've updated for 2023. And the first change that I made was I updated the company description. I added a little bit more meat to the bone, made it a little bit more flowery using AI, and I updated it into the template. So again, keep in mind, this is customizable. You can still go in there and add your information, but I did use a little bit of flair from my AI resources. All right, the second change that I made, or update that I made, was I updated the industry research. As we all know, if you're going to write a business plan for a cleaning company, by golly gee, you better make sure you have updated information. And so I do have updated information in there for 2023. I do use IBIS World. In my opinion, they are the industry leader in industry research. What I do is I go into their reports, I summarize their information, and I put it into my template for y'all to enjoy. The last option that I did was I updated my financial model. So for 2023, I've made my financial model more customizable. So what you're able to do now is, once you open up the financial model, you still have your 4 tabs, which is your information page, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement. However, on this page for the profit and loss, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see where it says sales growth, and you have 1.5%, 1.25% for each month. What you're able to do now is you're able to modify the sales growth on a monthly basis to better reflect what you anticipate to make for the first 12 months. All right, so hopefully these updates are going to be helpful for y'all. And so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind, there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.